This is why you need to know the world's deadliest hunters. It's a wild ride. Saltwater crocodiles lie in wait at the water's edge. Polar bears turn patience into an art while waiting for seals. The bald eagle spots its prey with incredible precision. Siberian tigers blend strength and stealth in perfect harmony. Orcas strategize like ocean generals. Snow leopards move with breathtaking agility. African wild dogs master the art of teamwork in the hunt. The great white shark ambushes from the depths below. The peregrine falcon rockets through the sky at 200 miles per hour. And the golden eagle swoops down from mountain peaks with deadly accuracy. Each of these incredible creatures has evolved unique skills to become nature's most efficient hunters. Which one do you think is the ultimate predator? Drop your thoughts in the comments.